if you need sample data, Gemini can make it for you right here in Google Sheets. Now you might be wondering, why would anyone need fake data? Well, sample data is perfect when you're testing out formulas, building templates, designing dashboards, or practicing new Google Sheets skills without messing up your actual or real files. This would help you save time, avoid errors, and get you cleaner results when you test your ideas, whatever you want to do with these sample data. So how do we create them? Well, again, we're going to do this with Gemini. So in a previous video, I've already shown you how to get Gemini for free. And if you haven't checked that out yet, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to click and watch. Once you're back and you already have Gemini, then we can get started. So the steps are pretty straightforward. We just have to first open Gemini. The easiest way to do that would be to go to this icon right here where it will say Ask Gemini. If you click on that, it will open your Gemini panel on the right side where you can enter your prompt right here. So here are some of the example prompts that Gemini would suggest for you. But again, what we need to do today would be to generate sample data. We can do this by simply stating the goal that we want Gemini to do. And again, in this case, that would be to generate sample data. And I'm going to be putting my prompt right here. Here it is. So basically, I wanted to generate a sample data about staff payroll with 5 columns that will be including the employees' names, their position, their salary date, their salary, and their overtime pay, with about 15 rows. So with this sample data, I want to be testing out how I want to compute for the bonus or the overtime pay for each of these employees right here. So I want to create this sample data so I can test that out. After putting in your prompt, just press enter right here. And now it's going to generate that data. Here we have it. That was quick. And here we already have those 5 columns with the things that we have included in our prompt. So that's your employee names, position, the salary date, the salary, and the overtime pay. Now, if you're satisfied with how this looks, you can simply click on Insert right here at the bottom. There we have it. It's automatically inserted onto our sheet or onto our spreadsheet right here. With the help of Gemini, we were able to generate this sample data where we can test out our ideas without messing up our real files or our original data. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.